Schools have received another bomb scare. Schools from Noida have also received a threat message and SOP is being followed. 2 days ago, a juvenile was apprehended in conflict with the law for making fake bomb scare to Noida schools. Remember, over the last few weeks, we've seen several hoax calls being made to schools in the national capital. Across Delhi, several schools have received hoax calls of a bomb threat. And the police sources are saying that a school in Noida has also received a similar threat. So Delhi NCR also receiving threats in schools. Police sources saying that the student wanted his examinations to be cancelled. So there's another bomb scare in Delhi NCR. This time it's schools in Noida and Kidwai Nagar, and the schools received a threat with SOP being immediately activated, but investigation suggesting that the call was actually made by a student who had not prepared for the examinations and wanted to avoid exams, and that's the reason why the call had been made. So the call has been traced already, and the officials say that it was made by a student. There was no harm intended. The student wanted to avoid examinations and not prepared for it, and that's the reason why the threat had been issued. Remember, over the last several weeks, we have seen threat calls being made, threat emails being sent to several schools across Delhi. My colleague Abhishek is joining us on the phone line with the details. Abhishek, this sets off a lot of panic when these threat calls are made. In this case as well, the SOP immediately being implemented with the teachers as well as the students being evacuated. But investigations reveal that it was a student who wanted to avoid the examinations. What are the details?
We'll see today at 6:40, these schools, including that of Mayur Vihar Alcon International School, Noida Shivnadar School, and Delhi St. Stephen's College. The three schools and colleges received a bomb threat message, and after that, evacuation process started. Right now, I am standing at Alcon International School, and here also you can see the school is physically closed and all the classes are on online module. In fact, the Delhi police has said that nothing suspicious has been found till now, but the investigation is going on, and the police has said that they are investigating that who are the mastermind behind these messages and why these messages are been floating. In fact, in Noida also, 3 days before, juvenile was apprehended by Noida police who threatened these schools, and after that the investigation was on. So right now while we are speaking, the police is investigating the matter, and it is to be seen that who is behind all these, bomb threat messages, and the police is also investigating that whether earlier links, like few months ago, the schools received same kind of messages, the hospitals received messages, and in fact the Delhi airport also received the messages. So who are behind these messages and why these messages are floating? So the police is investigating the matter right now, but nothing suspicious has been found till now, while we are speaking. Right.
Okay, all right, because the protocols need to be followed, and more details coming in. Abhishek, stay with us. More details have now emerged. More schools, it's not just one school that received this threat, but several schools had received this bomb threat. So the police officials have been mobilized. School premises are now thoroughly being inspected. Dog squad also deployed for search. As of now, no suspicious objects being found in the school, and it has been declared safe after these checks. So, Abhishek, like you were pointing out, as of now, nothing suspicious has been found, but the protocol needs to be followed, and there's a lot of panic that is caused with these calls, and it's not just one school, but several schools that had received this message.
Well, see, obviously panic is in school, panic is, in parents as well as the students also, because they are suffering. Now, police is investigating, police is saying that nothing suspicious has found till now, but who are behind these messages, why these messages are floating, this is to be investigated, because this is not the first time when the schools are receiving this kind of messages. Earlier also, behind 3 days before, Noida school received messages, and a few months ago, the same school received messages. So who are behind these messages? Police is investigating, and it is to be seen that how investigation happens and what comes after investigation.
Okay, all right, because this is turning out to be a menace, and the police officials take every threat seriously. Bomb threat emails prompt evacuations immediately. The police officials also deployed there at the spot. The officials are also looking at what action can be taken, because these incidents have only been increasing. Abhishek, thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break, we'll be right back.